everyone, welcome to my channel Chemistry is Fun. Today let us do some preparation for Neet 2025. So this is part 1. For the chapter solutions, we will solve some important questions today. Now see the first one. In 1 molal solution that contains 0.5 moles of a solute, there is dash ml of solvent. Now in this, how to do it? We know that molality is equal to moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. So what is molality? Molality equal to moles of solute divided by mass of solvent. This mass we will take in kg. So here molality, 1 molal they have given, 1 molal solution. So we will write 1 equal to moles of solute. 0.5 moles is already given, so we will write 0.5 by mass of solvent, that only we have to calculate. So from this we can get that mass of solvent equal to it will be 0.5 kg. From this equation we get that mass of solvent equal to 0.5 kg. Okay. Now let's go to the second question. I hope you all could understand this one which I solved just now. Now the second one. How many grams of concentrated nitric acid solution should be used to prepare 250 ml of 2 molar nitric acid? Okay. Now concentrated acid here means 70% nitric acid. Now how to do, see. First of all, we should calculate number of moles of HNO3 that is needed. So first one, for nitric acid we need to calculate number of moles. Needed. So number of moles we will get by multiplying molarity by volume. Molarity into volume in liters. Into volume in liters. So here what is molarity given? 2. Volume is given 250 ml. So it will be molarity is given how much in the question? They have given 2 molar. So we will write 2 into volume. Volume is given as 250 ml. So if we convert it into liters, it will become 0.250 liters. And molarity was in moles per liter. 2 moles per liter. On multiplying, we will get 0.5 moles. So this one we got first step over number of moles. In second step, here next one, second step we should calculate mass of HNO3 needed. Mass of HNO3 needed. So first of all, let us calculate molar mass. Molar mass of HNO3. So for hydrogen it is 1 plus nitrogen 14 plus oxygen 16 into 3 because 3 atoms. On calculation, you see, we should get 63. This is 63 grams per mole. Now we know that number of moles is mass by molar mass. Mass divided by molar mass. Therefore, mass will be number of moles into molar mass. Mass will be equal to number of moles into molar mass. That is equal to 0.5 we got earlier into 63. So if you multiply 63 into 0.5, we will get 31.5 grams. Now see, next what we should do, third and the final step. Mass of concentrated HNO3 solution needed. This will be equal to, let it be X, because this will calculate. It is given that solution is 70% HNO3. Solution given in the question is 70% HNO3. Therefore, 70 by 100 into X should be equal to 31.5. So on calculating from here, we get that X equal to, so 70 by 100, what it will become? 0.70x equal to 31.5. So from here X is equal to 31.5 divided by 0.70. On calculating, we get 45 grams. I hope students you all could understand this sum also. Now next, this is the third question. Concentrated aqueous sulfuric acid is 98% sulfuric acid by mass and has a density of 1.8 gram per ml. Volume of acid required to make 1 liter of 0.1 molar sulfuric acid solution. This we have to calculate. Okay. So let us see how to approach this. Now we know that volume equal to mass by density. Let us approach it this way. Volume, density is mass by volume, so volume equal to mass by density. Now the solution is 98% H2SO4 by mass. solution is 98% H2SO4 by mass. Okay. So 100 gram of solution should have 98 grams of H2SO4. Okay. 100 grams of solution has 98 grams H2SO4. Okay. Now let this data be here till here, and we have just seen here volume equal to mass by density. We go back there. Volume equal to mass by density. So for the solution, how much it is? 100 grams. So 100 divided by density is given 1.8 gram per ml. So 1.8. So we will get this volume in ml. So on division we will get how much? Around 55.56 ml. Dividing by 1000 we get in liters. So let us calculate in liters. It will be around, it was 55.56, no? So it will be 0.05556 liters. Now next step we will calculate molarity. Let us calculate molarity. Now molar mass of H2SO4. It is 98 grams per mole. So number of moles will be how much? Because it is 98 grams, 98% we got that it was 98 grams, we have seen here. Just here we saw. Here 98 grams. So that we substitute here. So it will be, number of moles will be 98 grams by 98 grams by 98 grams per mole. So it is 1 mole. Now we calculate molarity. Molarity. Number of moles by volume in liters. So it is 1 mole we got by calculation divided by volume. We got 0.0556. On calculating we will get around 18.02. Now we will use the relationship M1V1 equal to M2V2. This formula. There is a relation between M1V1 and M2V2. So here M1 is, just now we got 18.02. V1 we have to calculate, that is volume of concentrated solution. V1 we need to calculate. M2 0.1 molar, that is the desired solution. This is the desired solution. So similarly, V2 will also be the volume of the desired solution, that is 1 liter, because they asked that only, we have to make 1 liter. So V2 is 1 liter volume of desired solution. So using this equation M1 V1 equal to M2 V2, we get that V1 equal to M2 V2 by M1. Putting the values, M2 is 0.1 m into 1 liter divided by 18.02 m. On calculating, you can do this division. Please see how much you are getting. We'll find around 0.00555 liters. That is around, if you convert it into ml, 5.55. 5.55 ml. So I hope students you all could understand the numericals which I discussed with you. It will definitely help you in your NEET exam. I will be uploading more videos related to this exam. So please subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.